Right, let's see if this fits. Just need to find a different thing for all the little stuff. Morning. Sewing up all my ear warmers. It's got loads of days. The colourful ones go really well. Sell really well. Markets there like a good blend. So I'll make them into a tube first, and I sew them together by hand. Yeah, so today I need to put these little tags on. Oh, can you see it? Yeah, these little tags which I've made out of vegan leather, like paper, washable paper. I have made a video about these, how you can make them, so you can look that up if you like making them as well. They're really simple to make and really cost effective. If you don't like using leather like I do, these are a really nice way to still get some texture in as well. I put them over like that in the corner, and then I sew them in. Yeah, so I'm going to do that today. Just finishing off these ear warmers. Got a few left to do. Yeah, getting there. So what do you think of my little tags that I made? I'm showing you those in the video. And yeah, just got some more scrunchies to do and hairbands, and that's it. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye. Hi everyone, so this last Saturday I had my market at, I don't know really how to say it, I say Tullis Hunt Darcy, I think it's Tullis Shunt Darcy. I had an outside stall, but yeah, a few opted out and I was the only one outside, which was a bit odd being there on my own. There was an Easter egg hunt got as well, so I had lots of families going in and out, but often they were like the same ones, and because the Easter egg hunt already costed money, yeah, a lot of them did not really buy anything. We never really had that before. Normally, yeah, small children, they always come and buy something, which was a bit strange. Luckily I did bring my hair cloths for the first time with me, and that made half of the money up that I sold, so otherwise I wouldn't even have my table fee back, so I'm glad I at least doubled it. But yeah, it wasn't really worthwhile. I do have another event at that same place, so I have to check if, because I was on the car park at the front, which I didn't expect, I thought it was a field, because the next event there will be a fun fair, and the pictures there looks like it's on grass. So I really have to check that, because I really don't want to be on a car park again, because it's a really tiny car park. It just really go too well. I like my setup, getting a little bit full with all my items though, So yeah, this is the last time I was bringing my ear warmers, so I'll pack them away until after the summer, because they won't sell really well anymore, I think, now the weather is getting warmer. So that will free up some space, although I am going to bring some bandanas, but some other narrow headbands as well, not just the knotted ones. I've got lots of things I want to do, so I think I have to work up in the height as well. I do have a rail I can put up, so I might do that as well. Yeah, so anyway, I'll show you some pictures and some videos from the market, and I want to say thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a lovely day, and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.